Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th subdivision in question 4 from exercise 8.3. Prove the identity sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square is 7 plus tan² A plus cot² A. Now let's note down the identity that we need to prove. So it's asked that sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan²A plus cot²A. Let's start with the LHS. So in LHS, there are two sections. This looks like the form A plus B, the whole square. So first let's expand that. So this is A squared, so sin² A plus cosecant² A plus, now this is 2AB, so 2 into sin A cosecant A. Product form 2 sin A cosecant A. Now I have to repeat this process again for cos A plus secant A. So A squared is cos² A plus secant² A, which is the B squared, plus 2 cos A secant A. Now that we have expanded everything, let's try to combine. So according to our properties, we know that sin² A plus cos² A is equal to 1. So I can simplify this as 1 plus cosecant² A plus secant² A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus 2 cos A secant A. Now, sin A and cosecant A are inverse of each other. So essentially, if I can write like this is sin A into 1 by sin A, that is cosecant A. So they will get cancelled. So this term on simplification will just be 2. Similarly, cos A and secant A are inverse of each other. So when I simplify, this term will be 2. I'm adding it to the existing 1. So I can simplify this expression as 5 plus cosecant² A plus secant² A. Now, the number 2 has to come and I need tan² A and cot² A. So let's use the identity for cosecant² A. What is it that we know? Cosecant² A is 1 plus cot² A. So now I retain the 5. Only the cosecant² A I have written as 1 plus cot² A. Similarly, the secant² A can be converted as 1 plus tan²A. Now you add up the numbers, you get 7 plus tan²A plus cot²A, which is actually equal to my RHS. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.